The white man who built and flourished the Western civilization would literally rise up from their graves if they could, just to fix all the shit stain that has been just covering your countries recently. How many more terrorist attacks should be done by these foreign filths, by these fucking parasites, by these infectious, rat-infested fucking piles and piles of sewage waste? How many of these people should just come to your countries, take over your cities, divide you by implementing their own ways of life and trying to rob you of your history and your heritage? Why are you sitting around and doing nothing while all this is going on? Do you understand the grave threat that is facing your society, your race, your humanity, your accomplishments? All of it would be for nothing if you don't do anything to stop these savages. All of it would be for absolute fuck off if you don't remigrate all of these unnecessary, unwanted, and just basically burden of society. All of it will be for nothing if you don't remigrate these burden of society that are just raining on your countries like hellfire. These people deserve to be booted the fuck out. Either by your government, which is not happening, you cannot vote your way out of this. You should take matters into your own hands and launch a freaking crusade. That's right. Tough times require tough men. These are the times that try a man's soul. And this is not how you react. Sitting around doing nothing is not how we react. Okay? Turn your countries into ethno-states. White countries are for white people. No more foreign, filthy garbage consuming your country because of what they did. What they did have nothing to do with you. No Islamist, goat fucking, inbred imbecile should be allowed into your country. None of those people should be allowed into your country. Absolute ban, just like Poland. Legendary. Be like Poland. If you want to be, if you want to take inspiration from citizens of a country, be like the Irish. They take action. Be like them. Put your own people first. Don't show suicidal empathy. Don't be a sympathizer. Don't be a useful idiot. Make your ancestors proud. Know who you are. White people have been always the most fiercest, most cunning, and most brutal men when it came to it in history. You are the masters of violence, and it's because of your civilized society and your absolute might that you have been able to create the societies that you have right now. All of this achievements, all of this greatness, all of this glory and gracious civilization was built by white people with their outstanding and admirable values and principles. You should not let those people down. Either change your government, make them do remigration, or Deus vult. Deus vult these bitches. Okay? Crusaders were reaction. And now is the time to react and act. No more waiting for more carnage. No more waiting for more appalling, just nauseating stuff to come out of the hairy asses of these chimps, of these fucking animals. They don't deserve to be here. They haven't earned it. They don't want to be like you. They don't like you. Okay? Do not hold back. Arise, knights.